What's up, my traders? Good morning. Let's have a look at the markets. I have not done a video for a long time, so we can see some interesting things that are currently developing. Okay, let's start with the famous for all dollar. Dollar have been sliding for a couple of months since last year, and I know many are trying to pick the bottom, but for now, as we see here, price action wise, we are still in a downtrend. There is a series of lower lows and lower highs. Okay, there is here some indication that we are trying to build a bottom, but as long as we are trading below 103, and keep that in mind, it's this level here. Okay, let me highlight it. It is this area here. As long as we are not breaking above this level, we cannot even speak about reversal. But okay, we see some deep buying here, some indications, this spike here, this shadow, but there is some buying interest as we approach this level 101. But for now, market still favors dumping dollars. This is clear, and we can see that in euro easier. Every dip is getting bought heavily. Also, these big candles up and down show some indecision, but yet, and as long as we are trading above 107, this area here, but was previous resistance, the trend is to the upside for short term, of course, and this is what we care about the short term, because if we want to talk about longer term in the weekly chart, okay, we see one big swing up here, but still we favor the downside. All this formation and price action shows that at some time we are going to have one big leg down. I know many of you don't believe this, but this is going to happen, even if we try higher levels. Charts don't lie. But for now, we switch back to the 4-hour chart. This is drifting higher. Same for the pound. Of course, pound has a bigger beta always overreacting to dollar-euro moves. So we see here this trending up and down, but the trend is up to the upside. Of course, there is one heavy resistance at 124.50 tried yesterday and got dumped. But as long as we are trading above 121 here, this level here, we also see the structure of the moving average, this support pillow, as we'd like to call it, helps pound so every dip is getting bought, and this will continue as long as we are trading above 121. I would had some selling this morning due to news about employment in Australia, but still, okay, now it's trading at resistance area, at support area 068 68.80, this level here 70, and I believe it's gonna trend higher too, to test at least 70 again, and this is better shown here in EURUSD that had fierce move to the upside, three figures overnight. but still here this shows that it's trading in a range, so from this area and above we can have some short opportunities. Same in USD CAD, we are trading higher now, we are trying to break to the upside. This is nice swing higher and actually moving above moving averages shows some strength. But as long as we are trading below 137, still we favor to sell the rips here. It is another very strange chart is yields. We see this swing higher continue, this buying in bonds, so means yields are falling. This means that we're gonna see some pressure for the yields to the downside. But here too the longer term chart is clear. This seems to be just a correction. The lower levels will follow, meaning that yields will trend higher again. Let's see S&P. S&P, there is a lot of chattering about shorts and plunges, but we are just consolidating here after a big move up. So I don't know, okay, maybe in the short term there is some pressure yesterday, but there are multiple, this area here of support 3839 has very big support below, so I don't believe we are gonna see much lower here, and a big reversal is coming. Also gold is very interesting because we see this this is definition of uptrend. Okay, I don't know why some people are imagining, hoping, fantasizing big swings lower. Okay, maybe we see some correction, $25-30 to test this break higher, but I don't believe we are gonna see much lower levels. Some people are dreaming even for 1200, 1100 in gold. Anyway, that's all, just a small video. Okay, interesting also in crypto. Crypto, I was talking with a lot of young traders, the usual crypto traders, and of course they are hoping for 25, 28. Okay, we can see 24, 25 in a leg higher, and as we saw last week when markets were closed, Bitcoin likes to trend in closed markets and weekends. Why? You can wonder why, but okay. Let's see. I didn't finish Bitcoin. I believe that despite this move higher, still didn't change anything, so I believe it's just gaining time, and the break below 16,000 is coming, and you know, I see a big move down in crypto. But okay, for now I will give him the benefit of the doubt as long as we hold 15,000-16,000 support. And let's close with USD yen. This is also very interesting because despite these big move downs, actually nothing has happened. Bank of Japan was barking like ECB is barking right now, but when the time comes, they do nothing. They didn't change anything. They just let markets hopping. And we saw the big swings lower. Actually, we're just above strong support 126, 127 area, this area here. And okay, for now, as long as we are drifting lower and we are trading below 131, 132 area, this area here, we can give the bears the benefit of the doubt, so we can wait to see if we are gonna test 126 support. But I believe from this level and below we are gonna have nice buying opportunities. I rarely trade the yen, but this time I will take my chances because I see strong confluence of support here, and also this coincides with fundamental because nothing has changed. Okay, that's for now. I hope you are having a great day and weekend, and let's see what this new year will bring to us. See you on our next video.